Wow, this is a lot harder to record than I expected.
Happy Saturday. So hari ni I nak kemas I punya makeup. Mr.DIY. So I nak organize I punya IKEA drawer. Hari ni I nak kemas I punya, I think I nak kemas I punya foundation drawer dulu. So I beli storage ni daripada Mr.DIY. This is the first one. See macam dalam gambar ni, you boleh kemas macam-macam. And I pick up this size. Dia tak ada pula. Ini macam lebar dan panjang. Lepas tu I beli size ni. Dia kecil sikit daripada yang ni. And you know what, dia stackable tau. Macam ni, dia stackable. Lepas tu another size yang sama dengan the first one tu, macam ni. Sebab I punya foundation agak banyak. Is it longer? Oh tak, sama kot, sama. So I beli ni dua. And then yang paling kurus sekali, dia panjang tapi dia kurus macam ni. And then another one yang I beli is this one. I letak I punya palette. Actually I nak susun semua palette I, tapi macam tak cukup dan tak muat. And I tak tahu macam mana nak susun palette kan. So I just beli ni. Tapi ya, so far boleh lah. Macam palette-palette yang kecil ni, macam daripada Colourpop, Point and One ni, okay lah, nicely fit. So if you guys nak tengok yang I punya palette nanti, maybe later I akan record that one. So hari ni I memang nak susun I punya foundation saja, sebab I punya foundation drawer dah nak meletup. So yeah, without further ado, let's start.
Wow, this is a lot harder to record than I expected. So this is how my foundation drawer looks like. It's a mess. I know. Okay, this drawer is called Alex drawer by IKEA. I know a lot of other YouTuber or beauty guru also guna drawer ni. So yeah, this is the situation. I know it is so messy. So the goal is to organize this drawer, and I will try to fit this organizer kat sini. Tapi I already have my organizer for my concealer tau. So itulah, kita fikirlah macam mana. Okay, so let's go. Okay guys, this is what I can think of right now, like for right now. Sebab I think I need more storage. Okay, and I also don't know how to kemas this. Oh, maybe I should put this one here. Wait a sec. Okay guys, this is how it looks like. I think as for now this will do. This one I will put my all of my sponge, all of the sponges that I have. I will put it right here so that I know these are new and easier. And this one from Yubiso, you guys, you need to try it. So okay, dia macam tak berapa make sense sangat arrangement ni, but this will do lah. I just want to grab things at the back. I have to move up everything, but it's very easy kot. How I also, maybe I should put it right here, so that kalau I nak keluarkan, yes, I think that's the way. Okay, I akan, okay, this is how it looks like. Okay, I akan tunjuk dulu. At the back, I susun semua foundation yang here ada foundation yang macam panjang. Okay, ni kisah dia. I punya Estee Lauder double wear tumpah, lepas tu terus melekat, tak boleh remove langsung. So this is my Colourpop tinted moisturizer actually. So yang mana panjang-panjang tu kan tak muat, so I just buat macam ni lah. And also like stick foundation yang I jarang guna, and maybe I'm gonna donate it to my mom or my family and friends. So I letak kat belakang ni, so I know I memang jarang guna. And then here are macam loose powders, some powders yang I pakai, and some more loose powders. Okay, so I akan tolak dia ke belakang sebab I tahu I jarang guna. Ini yang I selalu guna, and terbalik. Oh my gosh, this video is a disaster. Okay, I have my primer and all the foundations yang I memang akan guna dan baru. Okay, and this one is yang brushes, sponges, and this is the concealer stash. I'll put it right here. Sekejap ya. Yeah. So this is my concealer stash. So that's it, guys. This is the final. Kejap, I lock. This is the final look. Okay lah, I susun macam ni. Ini semua face brushes, puff dengan sponge yang I guna sekarang. So these are all clean sponges. Ni I punya concealer. Okay, these are my foundation yang I akan guna. So I have no choice, memang setiap kali I nak guna foundation I kena keluarkan. Or maybe I will change the arrangement, but so far this will do lah. Tak adalah macam I sakit mata sangat tengok I punya foundation drawer kan. So yeah, thank you so much you guys for watching. Stay tuned for next drawer. You can see that because this drawer is a mess.